Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to get code from Emergent AI. First, head over to the Emergent AI website. Next, log in or sign up for your account. Once you're in, you can generate code by sending a prompt, like for a GIMP or any project you have in mind. Emergent AI will create the code for you automatically. Before you go further, check out the Buy Credit button at the top right corner. Here, you'll see the plans, the standard plan for $5 or the pro plan for $185, which can unlock more features like full code export. After generating your code, click the code button in the top right. This will let you copy the code or get a link to download it. Depending on your plan, you might also be able to download a full zip of the project or push it directly to GitHub. Once you have your code, you can run it locally by extracting the files and following the instructions provided, like installing dependencies or running build scripts. Just keep in mind that some export features may be limited to the paid plans. Also, make sure you check the license terms to know how you can use or share the code. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can get your code from Emergent AI and start working on your project right away. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.